everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel I do unboxings of all sorts, so if you like unboxing videos, please consider subscribing down below. I would love to have you join me. And of course, to all my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now today is going to be a short and quick video. What I have today is my Earfleek for the month of March 2021, and I'm going to go ahead and get straight into it and put them on and show you guys what I got. But for those of you who don't know what Earfleek is a monthly jewelry subscription, earrings subscription I should say, and it is $3.49, and that does include shipping. And every month you get to select from their inventory. They have a little game that they have on their website, and you can like or dislike something. And every month I go through their inventory and I heart stuff and then I dislike things. So that way I know they're only going to send me stuff that I like. I will leave all the information in the description box down below if you are interested in checking it out. It is a fun little service, and they always have great pieces, and I enjoy getting this. Actually, these are a pair that I have received in the past, and pretty cute. Okay, so here, if I didn't show you, here is the bag that they come in. It is bubble wrapped. Now these ones I do remember liking, and wow, I did not know they were going to be so big. Yeah, wow, look at these. This is the way they look, and they come like that, and that's to keep them from breaking. Wow, these things are pretty big, guys. Ooh, I don't know. I think I like them though. They kind of remind me of slinky looking kind of earrings. I'm going to call these my slinky earrings. Wow, you know, it's hard to tell in a picture how big an earring is, but yeah, we're going to see how this works for me. Now this is either going to be a hit or miss for me, because one downside I can see is if my hair gets tangled up in that, and you can see how that might happen. So these might be a drawback for me. Maybe I will wear these when I have my hair up, but boy, can you see them, right? They really, really do pop out. Oh, I'm gonna give this a good wear. I hope my hair does not get caught up in these. But you know, these might look really good on somebody with short hair too. So they are really a statement earrings. Yeah, I'm looking into my mirror if you're seeing what I'm looking into, but I really like these. I think they're fun, and wow. Oh man, these are probably gonna be one of my favorite pairs, as long as my hair don't get caught up in it. If my hair gets all tangled up in it, it's not doing that. No? No, it's not. It might not be a problem. Maybe I'm just overthinking my slinky earrings. Well, okay, this is my Earfleek for the month of March. Like I said, I will leave all the information in the description box. Please subscribe down below. If you have not subscribed, I do all sorts of unboxings on my channel, from clothes, makeup, jewelry, all kinds of things, and anything else I can get my hands on. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah.